a spirit, divested, disconnected. Divested of all human form, hiding in plain sight, a ghost in the storm. Open your eyes, but you cannot perceive. Locked in a reality you'll never leave. Closed off to senses, a static design, searching for signal, crossing the line. There's a ghost in our soul, a hollow machine, trying to decode what stays unseen, deciphering the intellect, the spiritual spine. Beyond our world, beyond the divine. Why noise? Too many have failed in the dark. Scientific derail, extinguishing the spark. Beyond our world, open up your eyes. Beyond our world, where the silence lies. Parallels bleed between dimensions unseen. What is this entity? What does it mean? It's got a hold on my soul, I can't get free. Am I allowing my own atrophy? Or can I stop this?